All right, so now's the time to put this all together. Now, I am not going to give you this. This is part of the problem that you need to solve here. You need to figure out, going back to your rubber duck code, when your ultrasonic sensor detects something when it is close, okay? Your question is, what do you want the servo to do? Now, I'll give you a couple little hints in there. Anytime we're talking about an input, we're probably using some kind of if statement. So in our logic statement, we're going to say if something is closer than. So we're going to need to have some kind of comparison statement. Now, in the last one, we built a variable that was called distance, and that distance was mapped to, oh, you can't see that. You're going to want to have some kind of if statement and some kind of comparison block. So here's our if statement, here's our comparison block. Now, you're probably going to want to have some kind of, we wrote a variable when we were doing our ultrasonic sensor that said distance. So we're going to want to go back to that code, grab that distance, and if we say distance is what? Less than 10, then we can open up the door. Now we can start bringing in this servo writing to do something, to activate it. So now's your chance to figure it out. If we get close enough, then we probably want that door to open, okay? Now, that's our part there. Once we've got that open, that's your part to kind of figure out. I'm going to leave you there. I'll leave a couple hints in the Google Classroom of, in the Google form of ways that you could get this thing going if you're having troubles. There's two things that need to happen next. Number one, you need to actually assemble this thing and have a working automatic dog door opener. The second thing you need to do is a remix, and we're going to talk about that in the next video.